Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Spice with Gift. So today I'll be showing us how to prepare Ukazi soup. And I started with heating up my stockfish and dry fish, and then I added my yellow habanero pepper that was already blended, and then I've added my palm oil, and then I'll allow that cook for a while. The palm oil is actually going to help the stockfish get soft real quick. Okay, so I'm going to allow that heat for a while, for a little bit, let's say 10 to 15 minutes, and then next I'll be adding my water leaf. I think at this point it's soft enough. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my water leaf and my bomo, and I'll allow that cook for a while, like for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so guys, if you are an OG here, thank you so much. Thank you for the views, thank you for the likes, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, okay, so you don't miss out on our yummy recipes. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so back to our Ukazi soup. After adding the water leaf and stirring, we'll allow that cook for a while. You can see that that color is already popping. The soup is popping. So we are going to add our crayfish. That's my blended crayfish. And then after adding that, I'll stir. At this point, if you feel your pepper is not enough, you can add more pepper. You can add your salt. I think I already added my seasoning cube, but I did not video that. Okay guys, so I'm going to allow that cook for a bit, and then we're adding our meat and meat stock. The soup is already coming up well. Okay, and so this is our periwinkle. At this point we are stirring. So now we are adding our Ukazi leaf. So this Ukazi leaf has been thoroughly pounded. I hope you know you have to pound your Ukazi leaf thoroughly so that it can help thicken the soup. Guys, so right now my soup is still looking a bit thick, so I'm going to be adding a little more of palm oil and then a little bit of water as well to lighten it up a bit, because we don't want our Ukazi soup to be too thick. Okay, so at this point the consistency is just accurate for me, right? And that's our soup right there. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Let us know in the comment section what you prefer to eat your Ukazi soup with. Is it semo? Is it pounded yam, or gari, or fufu? Thanks for watching till the end. Bye for now.